So thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. We're taking a drive through Santans and we're heading out to Drax Hall. I just want to show you this house that's being built. I don't know what I did with the actual footage of the front, but we're going to walk through. I hope you liked the video just the same. Oh, no dog, right? Where's the door? Is that the door? Look at this view. Look at this. Alright.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
It's Affinity. Infinity pool.
So this is Mark, our tour guide. So Mark, tell me about this. So this is an infinity pool here that's on here?
Yeah, right there.
Show you the
So
infinity pool.
this side you have a step down. One step up here.
Okay, and then afterward.
Right there.
And then this is going into the pool itself.
Yeah. There'll be a step here.
I go inside. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
One kitchen out there here, so like if anybody down here, yeah. Like right there. As you can see pipe them here is already.
So this is the kitchen area?
Yeah.
Okay.
One game room supposed to be on the side here.
And a game room. So this is a gaming room area here?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
And you have the elevator right here.
There's an elevator. How much floors is this house?
3 so far. But
So
you
there's
could
gonna
call
be
it
an
4, yeah,
elevator.
one down below.
Elevator shaft.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
It's very deep, you know.
Deep.
So this is the bathroom right here?
Yeah. And this is the closet. Closet and bathroom.
So this is a bedroom here right now?
Yeah.
This is the bathroom.
Yeah.
Closet,
And
it's a
closet.
closet.
Closet and bathroom.
In here.
Yeah. No, it's one more side around here.
Oh, but, so that's the closet on that side.
Yeah.
This is the closet.
And this is
How
the
come somebody
bathroom.
put this window in closet? I'm not understanding it. I'm not understanding it. Please explain. I know natural light, yes, but okay.
It does come natural. I can call it just a new fashion or a
Okay.
new design.
And this
call.
here now is what? We're looking down into what?
A staircase.
So it's gonna be just up
Yeah,
and down or
out
winding?
there gonna full up, you know. No,
Oh,
it'll be
okay.
like up and winding. If she wanted that way, as in.
Okay.
Yeah, leave to the stairway she prefer. And that is another room and bathroom and closet.
Like how high?
It'll come near up to there. Like maybe 2 steps down
Mm-hmm.
or something like that.
And then this is gonna be like the front.
Yeah.
Front of the house, they walk in here.
Yeah.
And they're gonna have a stairs go down.
Take
eventually
staircase and as I can see, a bathroom and closet again.
So this one is a bathroom on the left,
Yeah, and closet.
and then a closet on the right.
I don't know if it's the thing.
No, if only my mind go upstairs.
Let's go back to this.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So this is the top floor.
This is about the third, fourth. Under construction.
What's gonna be up here? Bedroom again? Oh, hey.
Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going.
And then you're looking down into the infinity pool floor.
here the view there right now.
Oh,
There.
you. So what's gonna be up here? Bedroom again?
Yeah, just like
Hey.
Where you going?
Whoa. And then you're looking down into the infinity pool.
yeah. You're gonna have a fall off, you know. So you come here before you finish. And then I think it finish, I can come back.
I'm coming back. I have to see how this.
And then you're gonna have the right look and the real look that you would want. It's a beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Sure, it's beautiful. You see, like a side part here, someone? Like a side part here. Go around, you're gonna have a waterfall.
There's gonna be a
right
waterfall?
road.
What?
Look like rain is falling.
Oh my gosh, that's
Yeah,
all the water's
right.
gonna be cascading.
Yeah, right around.
What? That's how you guys talented.
Yeah.
Oh man. Whoa, we don't go too far.
It's a stone wall that I built up, you know. And it's gonna be the wall, be the bank.
Oh, that's all. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
the yard space.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is it.
There's a wall coming right now.
Yeah.
Okay, right up.
But he also said there was gonna be a waterfall, like cascading
right
off the
round
side.
Right around it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a piece of glass around it.
Flex
I can see it through.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, on this side. Anytime in the next month we come back, we have a different look. By them time the board take off.
Yeah. So them what
They have
kind of
more
estimate?
fixed, you know. I know say up here, so the lady there say want something else up here, so and then really finish make up our mind. For up here, so but here so no say yes.
So it's gonna be like an entertainment thing up there.
but she know sure as it, she not finish. Make the plan we want.
Okay.
So we just wait upon her to tell where she want. Then we give her where she want.
No, we're not gonna disclose no
Eh?
name.
No? Just a normal lady. Yeah. America, but she come here. This evening a nice evening for her. Believe man. When the breeze a blow up here, you're afraid to walk out here. So.
So this might be like an entertainment.
Yes, as I tell her, we are waiting for her. She's supposed to come here tomorrow, Friday. So Monday, we would know what to do exactly.
Come down.
Alright, look, see another piece here. From there, show you. I dare say water gonna run off. But the one glass I got on the outside.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah. So I don't really hear say run off or come back. I will throw it over that side. I like the view though.
I love
And
the
that's
view.
how I bring you up here.
Yeah, I love the view. I need to get back downstairs now. Can I do it?
Out there, so
Those are the new.
out there, so Red Stripe Premier League football play, you know. Red Stripe Premier League, Night League, Let's
That's a
Come
Drax
TV.
Hall.
Yeah, it's right over there.
Mm-hmm.
If you can look, if you see some ball up on the field, I run up and down. So, like some moving up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those houses there, the hotel is that. Which hotel is that? The white building.
No, I really know,
Yeah,
but
that's
there,
the-
so that the ball field I'm sure and I really feel real, you know.
Yeah, real.
I could have Portmore, United side, I have Waterhouse side, I have Arnett side, and one side from down here. I don't remember where that side the name, you know. I feel them playground, I feel them home ground.
Okay.
I really remember where that side the name still.
Impressive.
It take enough to reach up here, so still.
I can imagine.
18
How long you guys
8-inch
working on
block, you have 8-inch block started, and then we, like you finishing up here, so we use 6. But directly,
it? Yeah.
but really and truly, hey, take time. I want a good look now, see here.
This is on the elevator shaft. Right?
If you're afraid, don't look.
Nah, this is the camera.
Just hold on from here and take a look.
That's the elevator shaft. I'm not going any further. So you guys can see. See it close. That's it? Alright.
And you know, reach stop yet.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is us on the rooftop with this amazing view. Look at this view.
Wow.
And so a lot of steel them put through them,
Yeah. Some 1-inch bar we using them in a throw up right up here, sir. As you can, you have some column under there. If you see column now, some big column, hold it up. It's a great look, man. It's a good look. By December when you come here, man, oh God, man. It's an extra look. Yeah, man, we have an extra look to get by them time, man.
So how much bedrooms is this?
Up here, sir? The lady says one in one, and that's why I tell her, say, we just wait for her to tell what she wants. Yeah. Yeah. I don't really sure as it. They're not afraid to come down though. Take time. You could just take your time. Take time, father.
He's good. He's not afraid like that.
Yeah, it's a beautiful look, man. It's a wonderful look.
And this section here, what's gonna be here?
No, I don't know sure. I might be a design from up top. End up making it yes, kind of.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And a cool breeze here.
Nice, man. Nice.
Well, thank you so much, Mark.
Some big steel. Alright, see size steel them here, so yeah. Them here bring it from down there. 1 bar, 1-inch bar. Yeah, man, this bring it come right up. As soon as we up at top on the floor here we use it's well lit, man. Yeah. Well, I call them at this.
That's good. So it's sturdy.
Alright. Yeah, it's a good look so far, man. I hope the next time I come back, I get a better entertainment. No?
Yes. But thank you so much for doing this.
You're
for us.
welcome.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Alright. Okay. Well, that's it for now, but stay tuned. We'll follow up. Maybe in the December month. I'll let you know what's going on.
What time it is?
Thank you, Mark.